Now we are on part 44 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. Now let's continue where we left off. The seventh tip is to create strong connections and enhance the domain authority of your website, as link building is among the top 3 ranking factors used by Google. To achieve higher rankings, it is crucial to obtain high-quality links from reputable websites that direct visitors to your site. This aspect of optimization is known as off-page SEO, which involves building references and links on trustworthy sites. By focusing on building high-quality links to your content, you can enhance the visibility of your product or category pages as well as your blog post in the search engine results pages or SERPs. It is essential to prioritize quality over quantity when it comes to link building. Now let's discuss the strategies you should consider implementing. By incorporating these strategies, you are likely to observe an improvement in your rankings in the SERPs. Acquiring backlinks from relevant and authoritative web pages is an effective strategy. The term authoritative can be somewhat subjective, but it can also be measured using tools like Moz. Moz provides a useful metric called page authority and domain authority. These scores range from 1 to 100, with higher numbers indicating stronger authority. By utilizing Moz, you can easily identify websites with good domain or page authority by entering their domain into the tool. It is important to prioritize ranking for relevant topics, especially if you operate in the food industry. To achieve this, regularly promoting your content on social media platforms is highly recommended. When it comes to backlinking, social media platforms can be seen as easily accessible opportunities. There are various platforms available such as Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, offering ample potential for establishing backlinks. There is a wide range of options available on social media, including platforms like Pinterest and Instagram for image sharing and YouTube for video content. Utilizing these platforms allow you to not only promote your brand, but also create a community around it. Additionally, by sharing your content on social media, you can establish references back to your website or specific pages. Another strategy is guest blogging, where you collaborate with other bloggers by contributing content to their platform. This can be a reciprocal arrangement, where the blogger also writes a guest post for your platform, thereby creating links and benefiting both parties involved. Influencer marketing is a strategy that involves collaborating with individuals who have a substantial following on social media. These influencers have the ability to influence their followers to mention your product or brand through hashtags, links, or by driving traffic to your website. It is beneficial to leverage social media platforms and create your own page to establish a presence. For instance, creating a Facebook page or starting a YouTube channel can be effective ways to engage with your audience and promote your products or brand. If you have interest in video content, it is highly recommended to create a YouTube channel and cultivate a following on that platform. It is essential to begin by establishing your own page on the preferred social media platform. Neglecting to regularly update your page can be detrimental. Engaging in forums and platforms like Quora or Reddit, which are content-driven and user-oriented, can also be beneficial. Moreover, starting your own blog is always recommended to have a centralized platform for sharing your expertise and connecting with your audience. A blog serves as an effective method not only for creating content, but also for incorporating diverse types of content. By setting up different categories, you can cover a wide range of topics and formats. Blogs provide flexibility to incorporate various assets such as images and videos, enhancing the overall user experience. Engaging users through comments and social share buttons fosters interaction and encourages the sharing of your content. Additionally, a blog enables you to leverage your content across different social media platforms, increasing its reach and visibility. Blogging offers numerous advantages with minimal drawbacks. The only potential downside is the time constraint involved. However, it is preferable to consistently publish one blog post per month rather than not blogging at all. Being listed on a reputable link directories like Yahoo Directory provides an opportunity to acquire backlinks from high-quality websites. Additionally, utilizing broken link building strategies can be beneficial for finding broken links on other websites and offering alternative content that can be linked to, further enhancing your backlink profile. As mentioned before, Utilizing Google Search Console can provide valuable reports to identify pages on your website that no longer exist and the pages linking to them. This information helps in managing and redirecting broken links appropriately. Additionally, another strategy to generate quality links is through testimonials. There are various other creative methods to generate quality links, but it is crucial to prioritize quality over quantity. By focusing on generating high-quality links, you can establish a strong and reputable online presence. The primary focus should always be on quality rather than quantity. Even if you obtain links from just one reliable source, such as someone else's blog, it is significant as long as the source is of high quality. Now, let's summarize some of the key points from today's tips. In tip number 1, we emphasize the importance of adopting intelligent approaches to keyword research. It is crucial to consider factors such as search volume and competition and organizing keywords into themes within a spreadsheet. The aim is to make smarter choices when selecting keywords. In tip number 2, it is crucial to publish high-quality content in order to attract more traffic. When we mention high-quality content, it means breaking up the content into digestible sections, incorporating different types of assets such as images or videos, and organizing it in a well-structured manner. It is important to ensure that the content addresses relevant questions or topics. Moving on to tip number 3, it emphasizes the significance of analyzing meta tags and URLs. When crafting title tags and meta descriptions, it's essential to be creative and consider using modifiers like numbers or promotions. However, it is crucial to remain within their character limits to maintain optimal visibility. Our goal is to make the meta tags and URLs unique and distinctive to attract clicks from users. Moving on to tip number 4, rich snippets play a significant role. They consist of additional HTML code that facilitates communication between your web page and search engines. This allows search engines to better understand the content on your page. By utilizing rich snippets, you can enhance the search engine results pages or SERPs by including information such as recipes, reviews, videos, images, and ratings. All of these elements can be added to the SERPs by effectively communicating with the search engines through rich snippets. Now, tip number 5 emphasizes the importance of optimizing your site structure. This includes ensuring you have quality inbound links, incorporating breadcrumbs for easier navigation, and improving the overall user experience in terms of site navigation. By implementing these strategies, users will be able to navigate your site more easily, enhancing their overall experience. Moving on to tip number 6, page loading speed is crucial for enhancing the user experience. When your pages load quickly, it positively impacts user engagement and increases the likelihood of conversions. Fast-loading pages create a smoother and more enjoyable browsing experience, keeping users engaged and more likely to take desired actions on your website. Lastly, in tip number 7, the focus is on building high-quality links to increase domain authority. It's important to utilize tools like Moz to measure domain authority. The key factor is prioritizing quality over quantity when it comes to link building. This can be achieved through various strategies such as influencer marketing, guest blogging, link directories, and leveraging social media platforms. By setting up a social media page and consistently engaging in activities to generate quality links, you can enhance the overall authority and visibility of your website. Next, let's discuss the importance of keyword research for SEO purposes. We will cover the reasons why it's crucial and explore different types of keywords that require thorough research. We will also delve into methodologies and best practices for effective keyword research, including keyword clustering. Additionally, we will also explore useful tools for conducting keyword research. To illustrate the significance of keyword research, let's consider Gabrielle, who wants to publish a blog on pizza recipes. She aims to create engaging and informative content by identifying relevant keywords like step-by-step pizza recipes, sausage pizza toppings, homemade pizza dough recipes, and thin crust pizzas. Conducting keyword research allows Gabrielle to optimize her content based on what people are searching for, driving traffic to her blog effectively. Gabrielle's blog covers various pizza recipes topics, and she wants to ensure that her posts attract visitors. The selection of the right keyword becomes crucial. For example, when writing a blog post about sausage recipes, she must choose between pizza recipes with sausages and recipes for free. Careful keyword selection is essential to align with the content and attract the desired audience. Poorly chosen keywords can limit search volume and result in slower traffic growth. Choosing keywords without proper research can lead to challenges. Selecting a keyword with low search volume or high competition can hinder your content's ranking. Opting for a broad or popular keyword may make it difficult for your content to rank quickly due to fierce competition. Conversely, using unrelated or incorrect keywords can also impede success. These issues arise when keywords are chosen randomly without diligent research. Low search volume results in less traffic, while high competition can prevent ranking altogether. If users find your page through an unrelated keyword, they are likely to leave promptly. Additionally, using the right keywords but failing to incorporate them effectively into your content can result in poor organic search visibility. Therefore, careful consideration must be given to keyword selection, and in my view, keyword research is the most critical step in SEO. And that ends the part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 45.